Good morning, off-road fans. Trent here with 4x4Works in McKinney, Texas. It's Monday, coming to you in the shop. Today we've got a 17 Chevy Silverado 1500. We're gonna actually do a 3.5-inch super lift we've got going on right here. It actually took a while to get a hold of this guy. Rough Country used to make a 3.5-inch lift, but they stopped making it. I don't know why, because it's super popular. We haven't been doing these guys lately because we haven't been able to get a hold of them. So this is going to be fun. We're just going to do the lift, no wheels and tires or anything like that. Customer is going to do that next. So stick around, we're going to get it on your lap flat and then see what she looks like on the ground. Thanks so much. Okay, we are in mid-tear down with my favorite technician, Cheston. And what he's doing now, he's actually, well, we're actually in assembly, not tear down, but we're going back in with the strut and the strut top spacer. And with the 3.5-inch, that actually is a spacer on the top of the strut and a new control arm. The reason why we're replacing the new control arms is because the spacer puts the control arm at an angle to where it may come into contact with the strut. So the control arm is replaced to correct the angle. With the 3.5-inch kit, it's a spacer for the strut in the front. We've got blocks in the rear, new shocks, new control arms, and a skid plate. And of course, that's a super lift suspension lift. Okay, and this is what it looks like reassembled. We've got our spacer installed. We've got our new control arms in. We'll go off to the rear. We've got our new blocks installed in the rear and new shocks. We're putting the tires and wheels back on, and it's going to be going onto the alignment rack. All right, just got done with the test drive, and she is rolling really smooth. Again, this is the 3.5-inch super lift on a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. And as you can see, the customer on this vehicle decided to keep his stock wheels and tires, and you can see the benefits of doing the 3.5-inch lift is, of course, we're getting that square stance. We do have increased clearance in the wheel wells. We got a whole bunch of curb appeal, and it does allow you to run a larger wheel and tire. This customer is keeping his stock wheels and tires, and he said that he was going to plan on upgrading his tires later on, but keeping the stock wheels. And the cool thing about this kit is you don't have to upgrade your wheels like a lot of kits do, like a 7-inch kit or a 6-inch kit. You can keep factory wheels, and you can go up a couple of tire sizes. Very good looking stuff, very good looking stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Trent with 4x4Works in McKinney, Texas. If you've got a Chevy Silverado, you don't want to go all the way up to a 6 or 7-inch lift, but a level kit isn't enough. Consider the 3.5-inch suspension lift. It's a very good option for not a lot of money. Again, my name is Trent. This is 4x4Works in McKinney, Texas. Give me a shout, 469-424-0028. Check out all my other YouTube videos. Click the like button. Let YouTube know that you enjoyed this video. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.